wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. So today I will present my research with the title From Linearity to Complexity: That Rethinking Entrepreneurship Process Model Through Ecosystem Dynamic, Resilient, and Inclusion Gap. So this research critically examine why traditional entrepreneurship process model no longer fully capture the new reality in this era, like digital era. Actually, how entrepreneur actually operate, particularly in digital transitioning, is matter and in emerging economies such as Indonesia. So, entrepreneurship play a central role in economic transformation, supporting innovation, employment creation, but also government and institution increasing the position of entrepreneurship as a strategic instrument for addressing this challenging. Nah, and this entrepreneurship process can drive the innovation, job, and economic growth, like from the theory from Shen and Venkatran and Aldrich and Kilbach. But most entrepreneurship education and theory still rely on linear and stagnant base that include from opportunity, resource, venture creation, growth, profit. So it's like just linear model, not capture the new reality that including the complexity dimension. So this model are useful for structure, but also it's not longer in this stable era. So it's like analog era assumption. And traditional entrepreneurship process model still assuming the predictable progression from idea to growth. But in this digital era, especially in emerging economies, entrepreneurial journey it's non-linear and uncertainty and platform dependent that can create a theoretical and empirical gap about this entrepreneurship model. So because in today environment, especially in emerging economies, entrepreneurial journey are increasing by the digital platform, ecosystem constraint, also ecosystem support, and uncertainty and dynamic condition that raising a question about whether this traditional model, entrepreneurship models, still capture reality or not. So that's why the problem that why existing model far short, because entrepreneurial practice is dependable, like it's iterative, uncertainty, and context dependent. And in emerging economy like Indonesia, entrepreneur operate under simultaneous transition, like uncertain. And what I like in Indonesia, entrepreneur offer like multiple transition. Like on the other hand, digitalization introduce platform-based market can be algorithm visibility and also data-driven decision making. But in the other hand, institutional support still fragmented, still uneven, bureaucracy, complexity, and often difficult to access. So that's why the traditional model still assume that can be predictable and also stability that can clear the mismatch between the theory and the reality. So that's why the key gaps of the traditional entrepreneurship is digital entrepreneurial ecosystem, institutional ecosystem, and psychological resilience. It can be the survival mechanism, and gender specific barrier can be a new model to assume that support for womanpreneur. And the research question to is that in this research, to what extent the traditional entrepreneurship process model can accurately represent the complex reality, with the objective to critically and re-examine the linear entrepreneurship models with the proposed framework, including digital ecosystem, institutional or ecosystem support, psychological resilience, and gender specific, with the new framework to make it that digitalization and resilient as the new capital and working as the human journey. So the theory and concept foundation that used in this paper is entrepreneurship process theory that from linear and non-linear, that the traditional one assume that opportunity, resource, venture, growth is the flow of the linear process from the biograph ancient Venkataraman. But also the recent critique that entrepreneurial process is actually iterative, non-linear, and shaped by the uncertainty. And the next one is entrepreneurial ecosystem theory. Entrepreneurship is embedded and interconnected system, including institution, culture, finance, and networks that they are in connected in human and social life, social system. Um, and then digital entrepreneur ecosystem is one of the theory that use is digital platform and infrastructure reshape the entrepreneurial opportunity that can be feasibility and scaling the entrepreneurial process from Nambis and Ausio research. And platform function it can be enabler and also the constraint for the process itself. And psychological resilience in entrepreneurship, resilience can be a dynamic coping process, not fixed personal trait. It can be like emotional intelligence, emotional regulation, learning from failure, coping under the uncertainty. And the next theory is gender and perspective. Entrepreneurship is not gender neutral. It's from the paper Welter and Brass, shaped by social norm and institutional bias. Because womenpreneurs often face the unequal access and visibility challenge in the process of entrepreneurship. So here's the four theoretical lens that I am used in for this research as the critical concept that can be examined with the empirical finding. And this here's the how to keep mapping the conceptual map from the main argument that traditional model is non still linear into the digital ecosystem analysis, entrepreneurial ecosystem, psychological analysis, and gender specific barriers into the integrated view from this four lens for to make the entrepreneurship is a dynamic, systematic, and also human-centered process as the human journey along the way with including our internal and external aspect. And data analysis methodology used is research approach is qualitative interpretive approach to understand the entrepreneurship as a live contextual and human-centered process, but also focus on meaning, experience, and sense making from the respondent and reframe that entrepreneurship as a complex, adaptive, and human journey. And research design use exploratory and adaptive design. Integrate that from the critical literature review from the four lens that I used before, and empirical qualitative interview to validate the critical literature review. Analytical focus use is digital ecosystem support, psychological resilience, and gender inclusion that will be included in the 90 interview instrument from the question from the interview question. And data collection is primary data is semi-structured interview with the number of respondents is 6 entrepreneur. Interview conducted in person and also with the Zoom. Duration is from the 45 until 75 minutes. Our interview will be recorded. Our in audio will be transcribed already transcribed and also anonymous. And sampling strategy is a purposive sampling focus on information that rich analysis with maximum variation sampling with the small qualitative sample. And I ensure that diversity of sector is different each one by one, and entrepreneurial in also for the entrepreneurial journey for the respondent is different one by one. And inclusion criteria is active entrepreneur in Indonesia with minimum 3 years of experience. They are founder, owner, and co-owner, so the role is decision maker and also active using digital platform and they are have a first-hand experience in entrepreneurship process. So here's the demography of data analysis methodology. The demography from the 6 respondent, all respondents are active entrepreneur is validated. Strong woman entrepreneur representation enable that rich analysis and can be gender dynamic because all of the respondent is woman a variation they have variation in industry experience and scale in entrepreneurship model. Our participant have a digital maturity and also aware with digitalization and a digital platform. So the first respondent is fashionpreneur, and also the second one is FMCG entrepreneur with the have the household product, and a retailer industry entrepreneur in fashion and sport brand, and creative. The fourth one is creative organizer and education based entrepreneur for kids, books for kids and a foodpreneur with multi-role responsibility because she is a foodpreneur also full-time worker, and also the last one is foodpreneur with a long time journey in entrepreneur. So data and research methodology, here is the step by step of the from the conceptual development until empirical development. Here is the overview. Data analysis use is thematic analysis from Brown and Clark, familiarization, open coding, ASL coding, selective coding, and thema refinement combine this both data qualitative and theory. So here's the findings. The finding is a thematic code table. This coding table translates from the raw interview into the structural analytical that conclude that from the thematic coding table is this approach allow but the insight that digitalization platform that can be enabled and constrained because platform visibility that can create the market access and also can tackle the uncertainty, competitive, and also digital access, not digital capability. Institutional are represent but not accessible. Community substitute formal ecosystem means that this network are learning space but it remain often close to the outsider. It means that the only for the one who joined the community that can get the information. That's why for informal education like sharing session in community based, it can be one of the formal ecosystem. Resilience emerged as the most critical resource. It means that across respondent, resilience is consistent rank more the important. Then it means that resilience is more one of the important things in for the sustainable entrepreneurial and gender dynamics contextual that gender operates as constraint and resource because that gender as actually for womanpreneur, not just for discrimination, it's not exist anymore, but also now it can be the powerful the differentiator that a womanpreneur have the things that can be as branding. And also entrepreneurship is experience as a human journey, not linear process, means that experience as a human journey. So here's the relationship analysis table. The relationship analysis table reveal that entrepreneurship experience is not a linear process but an adaptive and human journey. So a digital platform like platform dependency is can create the adaptive learning, but also it can be informal digital learning. Dependency is not it can be create the new adaptation with the digitalization. And digital literacy, digital skill function can be a new mechanism and to create the how a person, how an entrepreneur can support the tool. So this relationship highlight that adaptation rather than progression as the dominant entrepreneurial logic. So here's the why network can shape opportunity access because community can be enabler for the one who joined the community about the dissemination information like bazaar and sharing session, advisor, and psychological stress become a catalyst for resilience because resilience can be operate as core asset, not just a soft skill but it's a matter. And gender dynamic, gender is contextual, both constraint and strategic research. And decision making is hybrid. It means that entrepreneurship is human iterative journey that including the data driven intuition and life experience. So here is the conceptual model that we are proposed, that the proposed framework reframes that entrepreneurship as an adaptive ecosystem rather than a sequence or just linear stage. Entrepreneur operate at the intersection of digital system, including digitalization, institutional structure, human agency, survival, and growth depends on the continuous adjustment, learning, and also emotional and mental copes rather than linear planning, including uh, the along the way of the stage. So here's this quadrant can help to explain where the entrepreneur are positioned within the entrepreneurship ecosystem and how they respond to constraint, and also can lead to be adaptable under the certainty and also near to the human social agency. So what is the human social agency? To emphasize decision making shaped by both individual action and social context. So we can see that psychology, resilience, gender identity and strategy, community networks, and digital capability is near to human and social agency, and also adaptable under the certainty because resiliency, identity, gender identity, and experience become core driver of continuity and growth. So, and about the digital capability and community network, it can lead to be more adaptable, to be adaptation emerge with the high cognitive and emotional coping. So this can lead to the new self-continuous growth and self-navigate for entrepreneur. And future research direction to examine the longitudinal need to be formal and informal and comparative, and explore another sector. A limitation do the more sample to be more generalized and avoid the bias and implication from theoretical and practical and police with the entrepreneurs should do the consider the digitalization and resilience and from policy decentralize the bureaucracy and support the regulation and this conclusion is that entrepreneurship in Indonesia is adaptive ecosystem where digitalization resilient is the new form of capital and also can create the new survival of growth. So entrepreneurial success depends on the interaction between structural condition, and it validated that rating a traditional entrepreneurship process model is validated and need to be assessed. Thank you for the attention.